The machine has comprehensive functions, a single machine for multiple purposes. Firstly, the capsule plate is stripped, then the capsule is opened to take the internal materials, and finally filtered. Plate stripping and capsule opening can be operated independently. In the worldwide, this type of machine is fully in line with pharmaceutical industry requirements of practical production, and is suitable for capsule preparation workshops up to now. The machine is with high efficiency and flexibility, easy to move, convenient to operate and clean, especially suitable for the preparation workshop to recycle the unqualified capsule promptly. The powder extraction rate of the machine reaches more than 99%. The capsule body and cap are intact, and without capsule shell fragments produced after the capsule opening. Moreover, there is no fine crushed capsule impurities in the powder after sieving. This machine is suitable for capsule size 00 hash, 0 hash, 1 hash, 2 hash, 3 hash, 4 hash and others. For more details, please feel free to contact us.